Hello बच्चों, welcome to ज्ञान मंत्रा channel. Today we learn ABC means A to Z. A for apple. आज हम करेंगे ABC और उससे पहले हम सीखेंगे colors name. तो शुरू करते हैं. हमारा first color है red. This is red color. Next is orange color, light green color. Next is white color, yellow color, pink color. Next is brown. This is brown color, purple color. Next is sky blue color, black. This is black color. Next is blue. This is blue color. Next peach. This is peach color. Next is dark green. This is dark green color. And last is silver. This is silver color. तो ये है हमारे colors. आप सबको आए तो अब टाइम है ABC सीखने का. तो शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले आता है A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for ship, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. तो ये है हमारे A to Z. अब लिखना शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले आया क्या? A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat, D for dog, D for dog, D for dog, E for elephant, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fish, F for fish, G for grapes, G for grapes, G for grapes, H for hen, H for hen, I for ice cream, I for for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. S for ship. S for ship. S for ship. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. G for zebra. G for zebra. तो ये है हमारे A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. G for zebra. तो आए आपको ABC। अब बच्चों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक कर दो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो। अभी के लिए